Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasir Ahmed. Today we're going to be completing paper 2 from the Information and Communication Technology IGCSE course. So paper 2 is the practical paper which is 2 hours and 30 minutes long. If you check out the previous videos, I've already completed the document production and data manipulation parts, so the Word, the mail merge and the database sections of this paper. Now we're going to be finishing off the presentation part. So let's scroll down to, I think, page 10. Or is it 11? Okay, so page 11, task 5, presentation. So you're going to be creating a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so what's the first thing we need to do? We need to create a presentation of 5 slides using the file j218 sapres.rtf. So we basically need to open this file first of all in a presentation software. So let's open up PowerPoint. Let's click on a blank presentation. Let's click on File, Open, go to Browse, Documents, 2018, Paper 2. We're doing a Summer 21 paper. So when you get to the source folder, what you need to do is make sure you show all the files. So click on this option here and select all files. And the file that we need to select is this one here. So it's in a RTF format, rich text format, J218. Yep, and then SAP or sapres. Yeah, this is a file that we need. It should give us 5 slides in total. So the first thing we're going to do is format slide 1. So the title layout is applied. Okay. So this is the first slide. So let's see how many slides we've got in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the numbers here on the left hand side. The first slide, we want to make it into a title slide. Okay. The title and subtitle are placed in the center of the slide, which is done by default. Your name appears after the text presented by. So let me include my name. Okay, before we do anything, I want to save this presentation. So let's go to Browse. Let's save it in the same folder as our source file. So Summer 21, and yeah, that name's fine. Done. Okay, so that's question 33. Question 34. Use a master slide to display the following features on all the slides. So to create a master slide, if I go to View, Slide Master, then you need to make sure you go to top slide. So basically in a slide master, if you insert anything on the top slide, so let's say for example a star here, this will appear on every layout. If you close the slide master, you'll see the star appears on every single slide. So if you want something to appear on all slides, you can add it to the slide master. So if we go back to the slide master, let's go back to the top. Let's get rid of the star. So what do we need to add? So your name, center number and candidate number, and also automatic slide numbers. So that's part of the header and footer. So if you go to Insert, Header and Footer, if you select the option for the slide number, this box on the right becomes active. So that's telling me that slide numbers will be displayed. And then if you want to include any text in the footer, you select this option here, which now highlights this box, which refers to this one here. And what do we need to include? It's going to be your name, center number, and candidate number. So for center number, I'll use 5678. Candidate number, I'll use 1234. 5678. 1234. Apply to all, and then what you can do is you can increase the size of this font. Okay, we can change the color, make it bold. It's not asking us to do so, but you can if you want. Page number, we can leave that as it is. If they wanted you to place something in the header, you simply move this box and position it wherever you want to position it. I'm going to leave it in the place it is. Okay. So let's close the slide master now. So if I click on slide master and close, you will see my name appears on every slide, and also the slide number appears on every slide as well. Okay, so what's the next thing we need to do? we need to move the slide with the title into personal skills, so it becomes slide 3. So this slide here, this will now become slide 3. Okay, so that's that question done. So question 36, open a file J218 diagram.rtf. So let's go to my source folder, let's double click to open, enable editing. Okay, what do we need to do? We need to copy the diagram and place it on slide 2. So let me first of all go to slide 2. Okay, below the heading employability skills. So let's get rid of this box here. To insert this diagram is simply a case of copy and pasting. So click on this diagram, make sure it's all selected, copy, and then we can paste it in. Okay, make sure you don't paste it as a picture, let's just paste it normally. So let's increase the size. Right, okay, that's that part done. Question 37, the diagram is incomplete. Add the 2 missing boxes so the diagram looks like this. So I think we're missing digital skills and problem solving. Yeah. So first of all, let me just double check. I'm wondering if I can copy one box at a time. So, or if I ungroup this, is it grouped? It's not grouped here. So let me double check if this is grouped here. If I can ungroup it, maybe we can copy and paste the boxes. Ungroup. Okay, so that's ungrouped. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this box twice. So copy. And let's paste the box. Actually, before I copy the box, let me just see if I can enter something into here. Yes, I can. Yes, that makes my life so much easier. So digital skills. Okay, now let's copy this box. Let's paste. Okay, so we got digital skills. And the final one which we need is problem solving. So if I copy that into Word, and then let's copy this box. Okay, so we can make these boxes slightly bigger. There we go. Right, and then we need to include the lines, and maybe I can also take the lines from the existing presentation. So copy, from the existing diagram. Okay, and then let's just bring this to the front so the line goes behind it. Okay, and then let's copy this again. And again, let's just send the line behind, so send to the back. Okay, so that's that done. What you also could have done is insert some shapes. You could have found a similar sort of shape, you could have inserted it and formatted it the same as well. So you could have coloured it in, coloured in the outlines as well. But at least by copying and pasting, it basically saved me a bit of time, I hope. So that's that part done. So digital skills, problem solving, that's complete now. Okay, is there anything left to do in this paper now? So save the presentation. Let's press save. Print slides 1 to 4 only as handouts with 2 slides to the page. So we don't want to print the 5th slide, we want to print slides 1 to 4. So if I go to File, Print, so the first thing I need to do is type in 1, 2, 4. Okay, so that will only go to 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you want to do is print 2 slides per page. Okay, So if you click on here, 2 slides per page. So this is the first slide with the title layout. Okay, you can see my name appears at the bottom with my candidate and center number as well. And now this is good to print, so we can send this to the printer. Okay, and that's the PowerPoint section complete. Okay, so like I said before, make sure your name does appear on the presentation. If your name is not in the presentation, obviously you won't get any marks. And finally, to finish off the exam paper, open up the evidence document if you have it and print this off as well. So in the evidence document, before you print, make sure your name is in a header or footer somewhere, and check your print screens. So the first few print screens are for the Word part. So you can see I've saved this file in this particular format, Microsoft Word document. Then we've got typical print screens for textiles, print screens showing the different textiles that we created, and then a print screen of the table structure in our database. Again, evidence of relationships, evidence a form has been created and a new record has been entered into the form. Evidence of the formula in a report. There's a question here about validation. Okay, if we go forward, evidence of the date in a code format. Evidence the mail merge recipients have been filtered by 2 different fields. And then there was another question about entering data. Okay, so if you're happy with the evidence document, send this to the print. We've now come to the end of the June 2018 paper 121. So this was quite a straightforward paper, so please check out the other videos in the playlist. Thank you for your time. Please like and share this video. Please, if you haven't already done so, subscribe below. Thanks again for your time.